Today, we are going to talk about gardening, a fun and rewarding hobby that can brighten up your space and improve your well being. Gardening can be as simple or as complicated as you want it to be, so anyone can enjoy it no matter their experience level. If you are just getting started, think about what kinds of plants you want to grow. Vegetables like tomatoes, pepper, and spinach are great options for beginners because they are easy to grow and you can enjoy eating what you harvest. If you don't have a lot of outdoor space, you don't have to worry. Container gardening is a great choice. You can use pots or raised beds, which means you can grow plants even a small balconies. Before you start, it's important to know the basic needs for successful gardening. This includes picking the right soil, getting enough sunlight, and watering correctly. Use good potting soil and fits the need of your plants, as this will help them grow better. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight each day, so choose a spot that gets plenty of light. When it comes to watering, try to stick to a routine. Overwatering can damage the roots, while not giving enough water can stop plants from growing properly. Fertilizing is also important for keeping your plants healthy. Organic fertilizers can add nutrients to the soil, helping your plants thrive. Make sure to regularly check your plants for pests and disease, as catching problems early can prevent serious damage. Remember to trim your plants and remove dead leaves to encourage new growth and keep them looking good. Gardening is not just about planting and harvesting. It's also a relaxing activity that helps you connect with nature and space from daily stress. Spending time in green space can reduce anxiety, improve your mood, and even help your mind work better. Watching your plants grow and thrive gives you a sense of achievement and joy that is really rewarding. So, whether you are growing a few herbs in your kitchen or creating a big vegetable garden in your yard, gardening is a fulfilling activity that offers endless opportunities. Why not give it a try? Put on your gardening gloves, grab some seeds, and start your journey into the world of gardening today. Enjoy the beauty and satisfaction of taking care of living things, and you will find the gardening is not just a hobby but a way to bring happiness and fulfillment into your life.